7 step of hand washing. First step, rub palms together. Second, rub back of both hands. Third, interlock both hands. Fourth, interlock fingers, rub fingers, both hands. Fourth, wash thumb. Fifth, wash palm. Seven, wash it. Okay, now wash your hands. Okay, and then dry with towel. Okay?